Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the useState hook method with an object in REACTJS. Let's get started that one, how to use this. REACE, it's a snippet to get the template, that is arrow function. After that just declare const, and here object we need to declare, that is values of object values values or obj, whatever you want you can display, that is obj value, obj val comma set obj val equals to, we'll use that use state hook, and we'll declare or define the properties of an object. It's a object value means it contains some properties. It is an object, single object. Otherwise, we can call it as object val also. So, let's take that country, country, country colon double quotes comma capital capital capital. Just we declared empty object, and after that one let's declare one more variable, that is const, to maintain all the objects and display on the browser for display purpose, obj objects, objts or obj, yes, objects. You may get confusion, so we'll give some other name to display show, show obj comma set obj, set show obj, show obj. Then use this use state, just it is an object, above one and below one both are same, but above one to get the value from the input. I'll tell you that how to that. And second one is to show the values, whatever you are getting from the input, we need to show that values on the browser. That's why we declare two objects here. First object to get the value, second object to show the values, object values. So we'll prepare the UI part here. Let's use this react.fragment default, we are not giving anything here. Then we'll follow that div. Within this div we'll use that class name, it should be row, it is a layout of grid concept, control C, control V, just here we need to give control V and control V, control V, that's it, control Z. Here three things we can get. First, this part is COL column, this part is also COL column, this part also COL column, and we'll give some input here, input, and same thing, control C, here we'll apply that control V, control Z, control X, and here we are going to give button, 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 that's it, and button name is add, you feel it like that. Let's show that on the browser what it is giving, use state object, and here two input boxes are there, but there is no coordination. Little bit things we need to do here in this class name, which is form control, form hyphen control, same thing, copy paste it here in the input, control V, here also same thing in the button. Let's verify then the browser, yeah, it is looks good somewhat, and we need to some adjust that. That means browser it is showing above to the top of the browser it is showing, so we need to adjust that to keep it down. Margin top should be 5, so that we'll get that little bit down. Then we'll adjust that little more bit, and here column value will give the 4 or 3, and here also column value will give 3. Let's check it. Okay, adjust it, and column value will give 2 here. Yeah, 1 2 3. So 2 input values, input boxes, and one is submit button, add button. And let's add some more things for here. Yeah, here name, we should give name, that is country, country. Let's do that country. Just copy this one and paste it. It's a good way, because this name is very important here. Now in this application ID also we can give country. It's not required, but while the testers are testing, no, they will they should require this IDs. But for now name is very important for us, and at the same time we have to give the value value, which is equals to within curly brackets obj, control C, obj, this country we need to give obj dot country. Like same, just copy this and control C and use here control V, and we need to change that capital. Control C, control V, it should be capital, no? That's it. Alt Shift F will apply, so we'll get clear idea about this. This is first input box, and type is there, text, name is there, ID is there. ID is not required as of now in this application, while testers are testing, at that time it is required, but it's better to keep it that. And value also assigned, same thing, and button also there, but we have to give the event here, that is on change event, to change the input values. And here we'll use that handle, handle, handle input button, input method name is handle input here. Then we'll apply that const control V equals to square brackets, arrow function will follow, and it should get event on change. It means it is going to get the value, that means event. Otherwise you can give E also, no problem, shortcut. And here what we need to do, here same input method, control C, copy it here, same, because we are going to handle the 2 inputs in single logic. By using single logic we are going to handle 2 inputs. How, we'll see here. Let new obj val equals to, let's use this curly brackets, it's an object, that's why, and dot dot dot, and obj, this is the obj val, control C, control V, obj val, comma. Here the logic is that to handle the any kind of 2 inputs are there, no? If you use that first input, what it is going to do, E dot target dot name. Name means whatever you are typing that name, no, here this name, if you are typing in the country, it is going to handle that country value and assign to this. Maybe you are typing this capital input box, it is going to handle, that's why array brackets we have used here. Once again I am saying that this curly bracket E dot target dot name, it is going to point out while you are typing this name, that means we are, if you type in this input box, it is going to activate. After that maybe you are going to type in this box, it is going to take this as a activation for the name. So that's why we are using E dot target dot name. If you take that one, that event dot whatever you are typing value, that means e dot target dot value. E dot target dot value is going to assign into the required whatever you are typing in which input box you are typing, that name it is taking as e dot target dot what is that country. That means e dot target dot country. If you are typing in the country input box, if you are typing in country input box, it is going to take the e dot target dot name. That is e dot target dot name is country. Next time e dot target dot capital. And in that way the logic is implemented inside. So it is going to handle like that. Then we need to assign that set obj value in this new obj. Control C, Control V, and yeah, just we'll verify the values we are typing, and there is no action for the add. So we need to write down the action for this add button. So here just we'll add that on click event for the button. It is a method to get the on click event method. Handle handle btn simply we'll use, and for this the definition we'll write here Control V. Before this const, after this equals to, within parentheses it is arrow function, and use this one. Once if you press the add button, it is going to handle that and keep that value in this, that which value, obj value. It is going to handle that, and this value we need to display final value. That means it is going to handle the two input values. It is going to handle the, once if we press the button, those values has to display on the browser. That's why we'll follow that JS format, that is curly bracket open close curly brackets, means that it's a JS JavaScript format, so we can display the value. And at the same time we'll follow this logic show object which is not equal to null, then only we will focus to display the values, right? And here what we can do, that is simply we can display the value in the header format h1. Where is h1? Yeah, h1, and close this one. Within this we will display the value, and if you want to display this multiple times, Control C, Control V, we need to focus on that React fragment, open and close, and this, and hit it and move that alt down arrow, then we can display the value. What is that? Show obj dot Control C, Control V dot capital or country, 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 Control C, Control V, already it is there, capital. That's it. It is going to show the values if the value is assigned to this. Then if you hit this, nothing is there. If you type this something, India or any country you can type, Delhi, capital is Delhi, then add it. It is showing, na? So there is no clarity while you are showing, so we should use this some understanding format. Use this capital letter C, and here also same, we'll adjust to show it in good manner in the browser. Just look here, type something like India, and Delhi, add it. It is added. Again if you press this, it is not add, it is pressing and it is adding same thing, but we unable to see that one. We need to clear that input two boxes, 1 2 2, we need to clear here. So what we can do, Control C, and here Control V, here what we can do, that we need to empty those two. Control C, paste here, Alt Shift F, then let's check it now in the something India, Delhi, add is this, it is showing already, it is clear. If you press add, but it is not showing, so we need to handle that one. What we can do here, simple logic is that if country, this one, Control C, Control V, country which is what is the country, directly we can't do that one, obj, Control C, Control V dot, which is not equal to empty, and here also same, Control C, or not or, and we should apply, and then remove this part, paste it this one, just remove this and use that capital. That means here country is not null and capital is not null, then only it is going to get the value. Alt Shift F, then just verify this, something you type it and add it, clear, and if you hit this one add, it is not allowing. Now I am pressing, it is not allowing to clear this one. So if you type something new thing, it is going to allow you. INDIA, India, and Delhi, and press add, then changed and cleared. In this way we can clear everything. So this is for getting the input values, and this method is going to handle those two input values in single logic, with a single logic only, by using this. The single logic is the here. Then after this one we are updating this, that means our objective value is available. Then when you press the button, it is going to check this. If it is not empty, then object value it is going to update to show the values and clear the input boxes. And we want to add, if you want to add some kind of label, we can add label, label. We can use country, 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 and here Control C, Control V, that means add the country name for understanding only, and same thing, Control C, just add here label, Control V, we need to change the name here, capital, Control C, Control V for understanding only. Yes, we can give the value here, label name. Then let's check it in browser, capital, here country capital, and add button is upper side, so we need to adjust that. Here there is the button is here, just margin top it should be 4, then it is going to adjust, just refresh it, yeah, adjusted. So let's give values, India, then after that Delhi, then add this one, so it is showing. So in this way we can achieve this, get the values, show the values, get the input value as per the name, and get it and to show the values, and it is a label and input value, it is also a label and input value, it is a button, and it is showing the on the browser. That's it friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.